It literally took me 2 days to film this video, and I've recorded it at least 5 times. And today is the day where I finish this video and finish filming, so let's get started.
Whenever you feel like they're the one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fran. How you doing? And for today's video, we're going to be doing 15 facts about me, because I actually had 10 facts about me in my old channel and everything, but then like I said, I deleted my videos, and then so I'm starting to refresh again. So instead of doing an intro video, I'm kind of doing more of a 15 facts about me. So let's get started. So fact number 1. So my first name is actually Francisca. The reason why people call me Fran, because actually my second grade teacher gave me the nickname Fran because she thought my name was too long for her to remember, so she called me Fran. So ever since second grade, people have been calling me Fran, and I just go with it. I kind of like it. And then I also sometimes forget how to spell my full name because I write Fran a lot in everything I do, and then I realize like there's some things you have to write your full name in, like government stuff and everything. And because I'm 18, I have to like actually sign with my full name, so sometimes I forget how to spell my name, but I actually do know how to spell it now, so it's not a bad thing. Fact number 2. I am the oldest out of 4 kids. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters, and I am lucky to be the oldest, because if I was younger and they're my older siblings, I would die. That's one of my siblings over there. Here's one. And then I have my sister over here. And you. And last but not least, the last annoying one. Fact number 3. I am 18 and I am going to college. If you watched my other video before this video, I announced I was going to UCI, and I'm so excited to start school in the fall and just live my life as an 18-year-old girl. Fact number 4. I played a lot of sports when I was younger and still to like high school, but the sports that I mainly played in high school were volleyball, and I ran track and field. I did volleyball for 6 years and I ran track for 10 years. And I am not continuing to run track in college because I kind of want to focus more on my education. And yeah, but maybe, I don't know if I'm going to do sports yet. I'm still trying to figure out how college is going to, like how I'm going to fit in sports into college. So we'll see if I do or not. Because I actually did get offers from colleges, but some of them were out of state, and I didn't want to go out of state. And some were private schools, and I really didn't want to go to a private school. People think like, oh yeah, you should have gone with the scholarship and everything. I'm like, yeah, but I kind of want to have my college experience and have fun with college and not be so stressed about and then fail tests. Because in high school, I did kind of struggle a lot with balancing sports, clubs, and schoolwork. So I kind of want to take one of those factors out and see if I can be able to do better and just focus on my career. Fact number 5. I am Nigerian. My parents are both Nigerian. My mom was pregnant with me when she was in Nigeria, but I was born here in America. I was like literally 2 months off. Like if my parents stayed at least 2 more months in Nigeria, I would have been born in Nigeria. But no, I was born here. So I mean, it's kind of cool. So all of my Nigerian people over there say, hey, hi, how you doing? Fact number 6. Oh, whoa, high school failed me. Fact number 6. I don't call myself a nerd, but I'm just trying to like make the topic of it. Like, I'm not a nerd. I wouldn't call myself smart either, but I was really good at schoolwork. I guess I had good memorization. That's why I was good at schoolwork. So I graduated top 50 students in my class, so like top 10% of my class. So that was actually a big honor. I actually did work hard, and I'm like, yeah, I'm bragging that I was at least smart. I will brag about it because I worked hard to get to that place. So I'm happy that I have like the academic skills to be smart. So I will call myself a nerd. I don't care. I have so much pride in that because I was actually able to be top 50 of about 500 and something kids. That's something to me. Fact number 7. I love to cook and bake. I actually didn't like cooking when I was younger. My mom always told me, oh, go cook, because you know you're Nigerian, like it's a disgrace if you don't know how to cook. So I was more into baking first because no one in my family was baking, and I started baking and having like cool ideas and seeing all these videos, I wanted to learn bake. And then baking kind of turned into cooking, so now I like to cook and bake at the same time, which is kind of cool and fun. And I like making cool creatives. Like, I like to make my thing look presentable, you know. That's why I like cooking, because I like to like add the finishing touch, like voila. Fact number 8, I live in hot, sunny, bipolar California. I am so lucky to live in California. Yeah, totally, because the gas prices are just like $4. We have bipolar weather. It's raining in the summertime. Like, who would not like to live in California? But no, actually I do like living in California. Like, a lot of my friends kind of want to get out of state, and I'm like, I really don't want to live in California because I love it here, because we have literally everything here. We have the beaches, we have LA, we have like all these sightseeing places, Disneyland and Six Flags. That's why I really wouldn't want to leave California. But like, the thing is, like, there's traffic and y'all need to stay in your places, stay in your own states. California is already overpopulated. We don't need more people. It's not that great. Fact number 9, my social security number is... Y'all really think I was gonna give you my social security number? Y'all really think I'm that dumb? You know what, where's my diploma? Okay, can't find my diploma. My graduation gap. I did not graduate. Where is my okay, I did not graduate high school to be dumb, okay? I earned my credits. I'm going to college. Look at me go, okay? Fact number 10. When I applied to schools for college, I applied to 6 schools and I got accepted to 5 out of the 6 schools. I'm gonna do a video later on about what schools they were and how I applied and all that stuff later on in the future. So if you want that, just still like this video and also comment if you want that. Fact number 11. This is an explanation of how, like, it's just about me. When I'm nervous or very excited, I tend to talk too fast. And like, I jumble up with words a lot, and I have to learn how to slow down and actually speak, which I'm trying to do, because for YouTube I have to be able to slow down and speak so you can understand me, instead of having to go back or put captions on so you can understand what I'm saying. So, but like, when I'm excited about something like YouTube, or like I'm nervous in like a presentation or something, my voice gets high pitched sometimes, and sometimes like I get so jumbled up with words and I'm nervous and I'm like, or I have a lot of things to say, and I don't know, it's confusing. So I'm trying to slow down, and I'm getting better. We can say that I'm trying to get better. So we'll see how that goes. Fact number 12. I plan to be a pharmacist when I get out of school. I know, like, it's gonna be more than just 4 years of school, but I want to be a pharmacist because I've actually had like a passion since I was younger to be in the medical field, to help people, because my goal in life is to be able to help people and find at least a job really that pays a lot so I can give back to the community. So I think a pharmacist would help. Fact number 13. I love photography and editing. I just love it. That's why I like to do YouTube. And I used to have, if you follow me on, okay, I have an Instagram where I post all my photography edits. It's right here. It'll be here. Hopefully, I'm praying it'll be there, because I don't know. It'll be there. I love to do photography edits. I like to do video edits, and that's why I'm going back to YouTube again, because I was busy in school doing like a lot of other activities. Like, I was a part of yearbook, and then so that was like me taking me away from the photography thing, because yearbook was actually really fun. I would love to do yearbook in college if they have something like that. Like, that's really fun. But that's why I'm going back to YouTube videos and editing again. So we'll see what else I have. Fact number 14. I'm actually blind. I am really blind. My mom blames it because when I was younger I used to like go up to the TV a lot and then watch the TV for hours and hours and hours. But I do have glasses so I can see. I don't wear contacts. I'm scared to poke my eye out because I saw my friend one time struggling with a half piece of a contact in her eyes. I said I'm never ever getting contacts. So I wear glasses to help the society, because I cannot drive at night without glasses on, because I will hit somebody or I won't see somebody. So I'm helping society with the glasses. And fact number 15, my last fact. My channel used to be FranTube, but also instead of the A, it was an X. It used to be FranTube, but now I'm older, I'm like, that's kind of corny. So I changed it to FRANSGALLEry because that's my Instagram name too. So I thought that would be kind of like, I don't know which name I like better, at FRANSGALLEry or FranTube. I like FRANSGALLEry because it's like, oh, the gallery of my life. So I put pictures and just like, it's all about me. That's why I kind of changed it to FRANSGALLEry. So I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And that's 15 facts about me. If you didn't care, you still clicked the video and gave me views. But yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day. Don't forget to check out my other video. It will be somewhere either in the description box below, or I'll put a picture up here if I am not lazy enough to edit this video really well. So I hope you guys have a nice day, and yeah, bye!